Seven here. I'm playing some Pixel Gun. Well, I'm not really playing, but today I am going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a huge lucky chest opening. So let's get started already because we can't waste time. So let's go. So hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. I got 50 coins already, guys. Oh my god. Straight off the bat, I get 50 coins. What are the chances? Yeah, oh my god. I'm going to do this until I get down to 0 or whatever. Until I don't have enough. Okay? So, sorry if it's a little laggy. Sorry if you hear any background noises. And yeah. Okay, so let's go. I just like doing this when you have like a lot of gems. I love spamming it. I just got 50 gems now. What are the chances? Oh my god. Holy cow. Ah. Why? Are you serious? I just got the King's Crown. I'm doing so good straight off the bat. Why? I don't even deserve this stuff, I feel like. And of course I get that. The skin. Nobody needs skins nowadays. Why do you even give them to us? Why? Okay, so anyways, yeah. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah. Oh my god. How? Why? Why is this happening? Why? Just why? Tell me, please, guys. Please tell me. Why does this happen to me? I already have that. I don't really need it anymore. Oh my gosh. Or god, whatever. Holy cow, guys. I got 50 coins and 50 gems straight off the bat. I don't understand. Okay, got the demolition. I think, yeah, demolition boots. So, yeah, it's already been 2 minutes. So, let's go. If I get 50. Oh, okay, good. If I got 50, I would have freaked out. Like, no joke. I would have, like... Okay, guys. So, yeah. I don't know what to say. All I know what to say is I'm lucky. It's either I'm lucky or I don't know. Okay, got a cape. Hitman cape. I will not buy stuff in this video. I made this video today because I am not patient at all. And I just gonna I thought it was schoolboy again. I said in the last video I'll do a video once every 2 days. Well, I will. It's just I got a ton, like 95. So I was like, okay, I need to make a video today. So I made it today. And yeah, that's what you're seeing right now. Oh my god, 50. Oh, dang it. I don't understand why I got 50 straight off the bat. Oh my god. Gosh, whatever. I don't know what to say. I don't know. Why? Why did I get that straight off the bat? Okay, I got the demolition mask. Yeah. I'm gonna wear that because I think it makes you jump higher, and I'm all about the jumps. When you have the jumps, it's me. All about the jumps. Why do I get the skins? I don't want the skins. I want the stuff. The gold and the... Okay, sniper mask. So, yeah. Hope you liked the video so far. Yeah, we've already been 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 free spins. Wow. Wow. So, I'm going to go there. And, yeah. So... Yes, I love the Berserker boots. I think they allow you to double jump and other stuff. I forget. They allow you to double jump and melee, I think. Yeah, melee. 3 spins. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. I'm not even spending the gems anymore. Really? I'm getting all the free stuff. Well, no. Free gems. No, what am I talking about? Not free gems. The free spins, yeah. Holy cow. I might do a part 2 because this might be like really long. So yeah. If I get 50. Oh, okay, good. If that was a 50, I was definitely going to do a part 2. I'd be like, yeah, let's do a part 2. But anyways, yeah. Hope you'll... Why am I getting so many free spins? Why? Just why? If I get 50... Alright, good. If I got 50... I'd be like the luckiest man alive. Not actually, because I bet there are way more people that are way luckier than me. I haven't even gone like to 80 yet, which is a surprise. Free spin again. Why? Just why do I get the free spins? All about the free spins, guys. All about the free spins. Just why do I get them? Oh, I love the shield. Well, yeah, my sister has it, Kai Cooper Gaming. Check her out. So yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna get to 80. I think. Probably. Yeah, well, unless I get gems. I got gems. Wow. Well, I made it to 80 at least. Then came back up immediately. I get gems again. Alright, it's coins. So yeah, hope you're liking the video, guys. And yeah, don't know what to say. Maybe. Yeah, so. Why? It's all about the I'm getting all the gems and the coins. Like, no joke. I'm getting all. Look, see? I got 50 coins again? Why? If I get 20 coins. I'm buying the prototype, I think. Yeah, I think I can buy the prototype. If I get to 50, yeah, it's already been 7 minutes. When I get to 50, I'm gonna do a part 2. Yeah, when I get to 50, I'll end the video. And while I'm away, while I don't make videos for a while, I might open a couple free chests while I'm not recording. Maybe. I'll open the free chests. I won't open the, spend, the gems. Yeah. So on Tuesday, I'll make the next video. It's not gonna, I'm not gonna do, I'm not gonna do the opening chest part. It's gonna be the, I don't know it's gonna be. It's gonna be, just playing. Next week. No, not next week. What am I talking about? Oh my gosh. Do I have a problem with saying next week or something? Because I bet I do. If I do, I don't know. So anyways, yeah. I don't want the skins. Why? It said it was Easter Rabbit, but I think it was Bugs Bunny. Yeah, that was Bugs Bunny. Totally. Sorry, still a little sick. Tiny bit. Yeah. So anyways. Yeah, I don't know. I have no clue. Oh God. Why do I get the free spins? Just why? Just why? Please tell me. Why? What? Coins. Yes, I can get the prototype, I think. Yeah, I can get the prototype. Yes. Guys, I can get the prototype. Yes. Okay. So, +3, okay. Okay. I am okay, man. Okay. Alright, I'll stop. I just got 50. I've gotten 150 coins. I just got 50 coins again. I think I'm lucky. I don't think I'm lucky. I think I'm lucky, and I don't think I'm lucky at the same time. So yeah, hope you're liking the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah. Okay. Why do I'm all about I'm getting all the coins and gems pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely doing a part 2. Oh yes, I got the demon stone. It turns you into a flying demon. Yes. I might use it. I'm not 100% sure, but I might. I probably will. Because why not? Why do I get the coins? Well, at least I got coins. That's a lot. Got 320 already. Holy cow. Now I got gems. Switching back and forth. Gems, coins. Gems, coins. When I get to 50 or... Yeah, when I get to 50 or whatever. This is probably going to be the last spin. No, it's not going to be. I'm going to do one when I get to 49, okay? Yeah, I'm going to do one more. And then that'll be the end of the video, guys, okay? So, hope you liked the video. Yeah, hope you liked it. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.